food and service industry is currently one of the most significant economic enterprises in the overseas Taiwanese community, standing on a long history of development and effort. An influential platform has formed on the grounds of the success achieved by quality Taiwanese restaurants and catering services overseas, where community activities and cultural exchanges now take place. Each of these establishments has since become the fundamental pillars and prime assets in the promotion of Taiwanese cuisine across the globe. Since 2013, Corporate Synergy Development Center, commissioned by the Overseas Community Affairs Council, has actively promoted the Overseas Quality Restaurant (OQR) selection program and awarded model restaurants with the OQR emblem so that outstanding Taiwanese restaurants can be easily recognized by the overseas Taiwanese community and friends of Taiwan. The promotion of the OQR Emblems program has already reached many states in the U.S., as well as Canada, targeting restaurants which provide authentic, high-quality Taiwanese food and beverages, aspiring to attract influential personnel to come to Taiwan to experience the true, authentic taste of our cuisine. Food, service, and ambiance are the three main indexes in the evaluation process of the OQR Emblem Certification Program. Experts of gourmet cooking with the in-the-field business knowledge are hired to conduct diagnostic and counseling services on site, using their expertise to enhance the development and growth of quality Taiwanese restaurants overseas. Up to now, the OQR Emblem Certification Program has already circled Chicago, New York, Washington, Houston, Los Angeles, Seattle, Boston, Atlanta, and Toronto, Canada. After the rigorous two-stage assessment, which included the assessment of basic qualifications followed by detailed on-site review, a total of 69 quality restaurants were awarded with the OQR Emblem Certificate, receiving the approval and appraisal of both domestic and international professional review teams. Restaurants which pass this rigorous review are enrolled in the OQR Emblem program and earn the privilege to display the OQR emblem at their venue for easy consumer recognition. In addition to the OQR Emblem Certificate, each recognized restaurant in the OQR Emblem program also receives follow-up marketing assistance and business counseling resources, where throughout a series of activity planning and business counseling enhances business operation energy, builds recognition of the OQR emblem, gaining restaurant exposure. All these elements synergizing together to reveal the hidden potential of Taiwanese gourmet cuisine to the world.